So what do you do when you need a bunch of flowers and your distributor you're going to get them from is already closed? Simple, simple. This is what you do. You get yourself in the car and you drive to good old Trader Joe's. Let's go pick out some flowers. We're gonna make some flowers here for the farmer's market tomorrow, and they're gonna be beautiful to give people a beautiful small bud vase size bouquet and remind them that we do staging when we list a home, and part of beautifying it is with natural flowers. So beautifying it to bless our community and those who are at the Evans Farm Farmers Market tomorrow. Let's make some pretty bouquets. Let's do this. So because these are smaller bouquets, just to say thanks for stopping by and saying hi, we're folding the paper a few extra times. We're gonna put in some baby's breath. We've got a beautiful, this time we're gonna use green. Don't ask me what it is, I do not know. I'm in our outside room, excuse the mess, but it is yucky outside where I anticipated I would do this. It's raining today, so I'm in our storage room. Anyway, let's go ahead. We're gonna add a rose, looking pretty. Do a little fold, and tie. Action. What do you think? Looking good so far, right? That'd be pretty. Be good in a bud vase, I believe. So anyway, all right, there you go. Tie it up. Another 40 or 50 to go.
Nice warm bed. You just remember what your old man said. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some of the folks might be a little bit smaller than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. But
As well put it online. Show it all off. Hello! Glow-nola, tell me about it.
Yes, well, it's certified gluten-free. It has organic ingredients. I have maple and honey, and I get my honey locally.
Nice.
And the maple.
Only $8 and $16. Look at how much you get. Amazing. Can they find it online?
Soon.
Very good. All right, to come. TBD. Hello. Good, how are you? I love it.
Thank you.
That's fun. So what are you making here? What do you have?
I have cakes and breads, sweet breads. So like coffee cake, banana nut bread, chocolate, lemon. These are my specials today, my lemon blueberry and my pink lemonade. And then this is a sampler of like these. Yes.
Wow. Your grandma's recipes?
Well, these are all great grandma's recipes. These are mine.
Really?
Yes.